at Bajaj as such, that defined what two-wheelers were.
Hamara Bajaj was iconic. There's no doubt about it. We've all grown up with it. But yes, the residual memory was still from the scooter era.
People were waiting for Bajaj to come up with a delightful motorcycle.
And in comes Pulsar and says, no, you know what? We're going to democratize performance biking. We're going to give it to you guys. And that's the reason everybody just loves it. Hence the word mania.
MD was very clear in his mind. If they were black, we had to be white. If they were small, we had to be big. If they were fuel efficient, we had to be the fastest and most powerful. It looked like a lion and it performed like a lion. The moment he saw it, he said, this has got the character, this has got that kind of energy. He was really game about it. He said that, okay, let's do it. Let's just do it.
We had been a scooter manufacturing company. And whatever motorcycles that we were making in the way the scooters were being made. But the team was very enthusiastic about it, full of enthusiasm and energy, no experience. So we decided, yes, we will do it.
I remember the first time when we built the engine, that combination was like a bomb. Everything was designed from a perspective of trying to give this kind of raked feeling, like a wrestler out there, ready to go and, grapple with someone and twist him up, There was this feeling that, okay, maybe this is going to do a few thousand volume in a month.
We get a sales plan for marketing and they wanted 100,000 pulsars in that month. I mean, we had never done 100,000 vehicles. We were greatly short of resources, including in the supply chain, inside the plant, everything, including the manpower to assemble the vehicle. Glad to say again they delivered. Rajiv asked me, how did you achieve? So I told this is how the people in Chakan worked. First shift used to begin at 8:30 in the morning and the second shift used to begin at 8:30 at night and end at 5:30 in the morning. So they were mirror shifts with a gap of 3 hours between each shift. So amongst them, they decided that the first shift will work from 8:30 to 8:30 and the second shift will work from 8:30 at night to 8:30 in the morning. So he was so touched and moved by their, the commitment and dedication. He said that take the entire team of Chakan for a 3-day, jaunt to Goa.
It was so standout in terms of what it was doing as form and function. I think it just has been a story after that.
19th was a boom of people looking forward to advertising.
And in comes the Pulsar. It was like raw, masculine, powerful. We just needed a platform idea which captured these.
Scooter चलता है, मगर मोटरसाइकिल चलती है. तो we said नहीं, हमारी मोटरसाइकिल चलेगी नहीं, हमारे मोटरसाइकिल चलेगा. So it's definitely male.
When we presented it, we're all there, and in comes Rajiv. I think he was also excited as well as nervous. Without much chatter, he saw the film. He said, ये क्या बना दिया है?
क्या बनाया था वो तो दिखा दिया था. आगे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत थी नहीं.
See, nobody in India had seen work like this before. I think it was genre defining definitely for India.
एक ताजा हवा चली और जो फैल रही.
You see, Bajaj in global arena was an unknown name. We took the Pulsar Mania playbook from India and put it in Colombia. For them, power meant the freedom to perform stunts. 50 countries, out of which about 20 countries, we are clear number one.
Pulsar is not just a single product. It's been a journey and it's never been static. Once you make something that's as iconic as a Pulsar, you need to ensure that there is this kind of a continuity. Now, when you create a new Pulsar, it has to be having an evolutionary behavior to it.
There is no the magic where the creative people are looking for, inspiration that comes from the nature or animal, but it comes from the technology. The first time I experienced travel in India, I realized how different the environment was. I questioned to myself why this kind of motorcycle are present in the street, in the market. And I believe speed or the way we move fast is a step ahead in our, human condition or everyday life. That's why Pulsar or design motorcycle echo this desire of moving faster.
What an exhaust note. It takes your breath away.
You sit in the bike rather than sit on the bike. You really feel you're a part of the bike.
It's something very casual somehow. It is sportier but casual.
See, this kind of excitement, curiosity, inquisitiveness is understandable because after all, it's a Pulsar.
And what we have really created now is what a Pulsar should always have been.
अकेला तू नहीं दुनिया अकेले इस पे किसी से हौसले कम ना जिसके अकेला तू नहीं दुनिया अकेले इस पे किसी से हौसले कम ना जिसके अकेला तू नहीं दुनिया अकेले इस पे दुनिया अकेले इस पे दुनिया अकेले इस पे दुनिया अकेले इस पे अकेला तू नहीं दुनिया अकेले इस पे किसी से हौसले कम ना जिसके अकेला तू नहीं दुनिया अकेले इस पे किसी से हौसले कम ना जिसके अकेला तू नहीं दुनिया अकेले इस पे दुनिया अकेले इस पे दुनिया अकेले इस पे दुनिया अकेले इस पे मेरिया 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 मेरिया
Wow, that was pretty awesome. I'm seeing it for the first time too. It was wonderful to see all the OG Pulsars, the entire range. I'd like to now invite Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, our Managing Director, to come and share his thoughts on the Pulsar journey.
Good afternoon, everyone. And very warm welcome to Utsa. We call this place Utsa. This is our brand new wellness center for all of us. From the chairman to the watchman, everybody can use this. The sports hall in which we are sitting is a place where we can do various sports, indoor soccer, basketball, table tennis, etc. We have a gym that some of you may have seen that our director Abhinav Bindra says is no less than any gym in any Olympic village. And then we have facilities for yoga, we have a library, we have music, dance, etc. And the reason we called it Utsa because a great doctor once told me that a man is healthy who wakes up with a sense of enthusiasm, with a sense of utsa. And this is an important sentiment today because where we are gathered today is actually ground zero of Bajaj Auto. Ground zero because where we are sitting and this complex that you have walked through this morning is what all of Bajaj Auto was when it started about 60 years ago. The office you have probably seen on the right, where the people, the management of that time used to sit. And this is where scooters and three-wheelers were put together, were assembled, were painted, and they were shipped out from here. So all of Bajaj Auto fit into this little space that's around us. From there, it's been quite a journey, as we say. And today becomes a very, very special day for us because it comes exactly 20 years after 28th of October 2001 when we launched Pulsar for the first time. So some of us old fogies like Adil and we've been around, but maybe for some of you this is the first time to come to a Pulsar launch. I asked myself what I would like to say on this occasion, because the Pulsar is so well known. When did it start? How did it evolve? How many have we sold? Where all it has sold? That it would be boring to share with you what you already know. And in that sense, it's been our greatest teacher over the last 20 years, exactly 20 years today. So how does one feel when one is launching the all-new Pulsar? This is not a motorcycle that you're going to look at and say, as you did a couple of months ago, they say it's all new, but it looks exactly the same. No, that's not going to happen when you see it a few minutes from now. So I think it's a bit like saying goodbye to an old friend. The Pulsars that you saw here, that engine, that frame, those fuel tanks, that face of the motorcycle, we will never see again. But we must, we must continue with the circle of life. We must continue with the circle of Pulsar. and we must say goodbye to the old friend, and we must bring in the new one in a most dramatic fashion. And to do that, this chap Narayan has kind of put some app onto my phone that I'm not very good with. So I'm supposed to press something on this, and the pulsar will emerge from somewhere. And even I do not know whether it's coming off the turntables, from behind me, from behind you. I don't know. So be careful wherever it is you are sitting. And I am going to press the button now. You can see the cameras are up, but the pulsar is not up. Okay, let me try again. Narayan, you screwed up. Let's get the pulsar out, Narayan.
May I now request Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, and Mr. Pradeep Srivastav to just proceed towards the bike for our photo op. Just watch the turntable, please. Yes.
We request our media friends to avoid overcrowding. Please approach the ramp carefully. We will have enough time to take photographs.
Good afternoon, everybody. I know the bikes are out, so I think Sarang and I are a lot less attractive than the bikes. And we are following Mr. Bajaj, who's said a fairly emotional and quite a stirring tale about the Pulsars. Sarang and I will be talking a few more facts about what these bikes are about. So good afternoon. My name is Narayan.
And I'm Sarang. And delighted to have all of you with us today here and the millions of Pulsar maniacs who have joined us virtually. We are here together to share a moment of an incredible journey in the Pulsar's legacy and the moment that has led us to this discussion.
So at Bajaj Auto, and especially with the Pulsar, we've been at the forefront of introducing new technologies and features for the first time so that all our Pulsar maniacs or all our riders are able to get more thrill per minute. So some of these category firsts, like the digital twin spark technology. This technology not only helps in saving fuel, but it also gives you enhanced performance. We were the first to introduce the exhaust tech, which basically scavenges and makes sure that the performance is enhanced even more. We were the first to introduce nitrox suspension. This is something that our Pulsar maniacs enjoyed and also demanded of their bikes as they pushed them to the maximum. There are very many more of such category firsts that we brought to the motorcycle industry. Some of them, like we were the first to bring the projector headlamp, self-canceling indicators, pilot lamps, and the list is longer and longer.
These firsts have led to a movement that has transcended the Indian shores, traveled to more than 50 countries, with Pulsar being number 1 or number 2 in more than 20 countries. The global mania grows stronger with every year. And if we look back on the Pulsar journey, then we have added a Pulsar maniac to our fold every minute over the last 20 years. Incredible, isn't it? What started in 2001 notched the first million in 2006, and today we are a proud family of 12 million Pulsar maniacs. These numbers are a testimony of the incredible impact the Pulsar brand has had on the motorcycling landscape across the globe.
This has made Pulsar the undisputed #1 sports motorcycle. We're here in 2021, and Pulsar is all set to unleash the next wave of mania. In order to cater to the choices and to the whims of our legions of Pulsar maniacs, the Pulsar portfolio today adds a quarter-liter offering. This stays true to the Pulsar DNA, yet it also pushes and establishes new benchmarks for the sports category. At the heart of the new Pulsar 250 is the single-minded purpose. I'm sorry, I skipped a slide. Can you go back, please? Yeah. At the heart of the new Pulsar 250 is the single-minded purpose of providing unadulterated thrill to the millions of our fans around the world who use their ride as a way of self-expression.
The all-new Pulsar 250s are designed on the principles of sculptural purity. The front cowl embraces the tank in one beautiful, seamless look. The tone-on-tone is all about a dynamic interplay of the two hues that brings out the contours of the bike beautifully. The contrasting hues of the deep copper and the satin silver that you can see here make the heads really stun.
Coming to the specifications, the Pulsar 250 has a new tubular frame chassis. This offers high torsional stiffness and resistance to stress. The quarter-liter new 250 engine is a 4-stroke, oil-cooled, fuel-injected. It offers power on tap with peak output of 24.5 PS and torque of 21.5 Newton meters.
Mated to the powerful engine is a constant mesh 5-speed transmission. The suspension gets telescopic forks in the front, and at the rear, we have an all-new monoshock suspension unit for better handling and a comfortable ride.
The 250s get an all-new LED projector unipod headlamp, and the F250 has this flanking reverse boomerang LED DRLs. All put together, this ensures that the rider has a brilliant view of the road and has total control.
We have retained the badge of thrill, the tachometer needle. This is a nod to the golden age of performance motorcycling. Built around this central idea is the newly designed Infinity display that has absolutely no bezels, offers a completely seamless look with a range indicator and a gear position indicator.
The 250 comes with assist and slipper clutch. This allows for aggressive downshifting with confidence, along with an effortless clutch pull. In terms of other safety features, the 250 has bigger 300 mm disc brakes in the front, 230 at the back. This, augmented with a single-channel ABS, puts safety and control at the very heart and the center of the riding experience. We have a larger 130 cross-sectional rear tire for better grip, carries more speed going into corners. The front has a 100 cross-section tire, enhancing the grip even more.
We are excited to bring to you the two models, the F250 and the N250, in two attractive colors, the racing red and the techno gray.
So Sarang, two new Pulsar 250s. Pulsar Maniacs will surely be very, very excited, but the $1 million question. What will a Pulsar Maniac have to shell out, have to pay for these beasts?
Okay, I think this is an absolutely incredible, powerful package. It's a beast out there, and staying true to Pulsar offering the best for its customers in all ways. We have priced this at F250 at 1,40,000 and N250 at 1,38,000 ex-Delhi prices.
That's it. Thank you.
Mania, 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 mania. You never ये मेनिया तेरे काका 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 वो मेनिया